Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix ICN downloaded stuck in the corner of the screen in Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, guys, you have to need to click on Start, then find out Task Manager. So type here Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Now guys, you have to find out Microsoft Team in this list. This one. So right click on it and click on End Task. So just find out Microsoft Teams, right click and End Task. Now close it and retry to download it. So hopefully guys it will work. So thanks for watching and please comment this method useful for you or not, and by these simple steps we can resolve ICN downloaded stuck in the corner of the screen in Windows 11. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.